bro. You know me I ask for you over the media and everybody has said them can't see you.
Yeah, God know.
No man, God know everything. Me need the piece of dog food now, Pops YG. Everybody a come here and I ask me if me get the dog food. Me constantly a play it off. Listen me out, why not that must come to light? Me need minds. Come on and like y'all a get bright, like y'all a bleach. Y'all buy cream, you must can pay me. Come man. And you keep party for pig. Eh? Imagine that. And your old man. Come on, Pops. Look my your watch. And a TikTok watch?
Yeah, no,
you go like your trash. Are you name Pops?
Yo.
My you Pops YG, serious thing, my you. Just give me where you can give my day and my you nothing go on for me. The whole media system fall off, bro. Just give me look inch your money now, bro.
No, TikTok boss, nothing now go on for me neither.
No, me not go work with that. You should have known say something for go on before you use my son. Come like that man here drink mad puss piss. Listen me on. My daughter, go back inside cause things might get ugly out here. Pops, what you say? You must be crazy or something. See my penny there? She just wake. She want last car Milo. You come here and tell me. Listen me out. Pops, needs mine. Needs mine.
Yo, yeah, you want me to say TikTok boss?
Yeah, me I hear you now.
Much money you want to come for a birthday party?
Listen me out. Me nah give it no name. Normally people tell me about birthday party and them thing that them have to talk like 100,000 or more and set one table. Listen me out. Your thing now gonna be the same. Line up 80 and set one table. Included where you forgive me for intro. No Pops, God no bro. Me need a piece of food, bro.
So you see
hear me and say that, bro. I respect you, bro.
Much money you see you want? 80,000.
Yeah, bro. That no dog food for you?
So half my money now, half when you come.
So you that wire half in my account and when me reach on location, yeah, you give me the balance. So you know have me on the flyers and book me. That come like I look me and look for it. It's not safe. Come like you want to trick me 2-3 way. Eh? Listen me on, take down that man. You come here, I don't see no TikTok boss. I see all kind of different people who are first me I see.
Chat 2 hours. Listen up. Hold on TikTok boss, I make you chat to you dark. We have some money for give you for you.
No, you can't, I can't lie. It have to be true, Pops. Come like you talk and you not hear yourself. Where you know?
Because we not drop the song until we pay, you know.
Yeah, cause might be Tanta virus would have take action back at that. Once it play and no cash no run, lawyer go depot your back.
Say God no.
No, that's how I live. Listen me out. You see, Pops, I don't want to talk like my personal life over here. Bro, I'm dangerous as you see me here. I'm a dangerous guy. Chat power taps.
You know, so you now win that game, though.
Yeah, cause you way sort the thing though, bro. Even about gimmicks, a serious thing. But chat, focus my side. Push up his score and something on the triple.
Chat, on the show. Chat, on the show. Chat, on the show.